Today, I'm diving into my review of Pelican, a website builder that promises simplicity and powerful features. Pelican offers an intuitive platform designed for both beginners and advanced users. As soon as you land on the homepage, you're greeted with a clean, straightforward interface that gives off a professional vibe. The website builder is known for its drag-and-drop functionality, making it easy to create a website even if you have no coding experience. One of Pelican's standout features is its template library. It includes a wide range of professionally designed templates that you can fully customize. From business websites to personal portfolios, there's a template for almost every use case. The templates are responsive, meaning they look great on both desktop and mobile devices, which is crucial for today's mobile-first web. Navigating the editor is a breeze. You can easily add text, images, and other elements to your website without any hassle. The platform also provides real-time previewing, which allows you to see your changes as you make them. This makes the design process smooth and efficient. Pelican also integrates with popular social media platforms, so you can easily add social media buttons or embed feeds directly into your site. Another thing worth noting is the built-in SEO tools. Pelican offers customizable SEO settings for each page, which can help your website rank higher in search engines. You can modify meta tags, image alt text, and other key SEO factors to optimize your content. This is a great feature for anyone looking to improve their site's visibility. Pelican also offers a blogging feature, which is a nice touch for users who want to publish content on their site. It includes options to categorize posts, add tags, and set up a comment system. This makes Pelican a good option for those who want to build a content-driven website. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources, so make sure to check that out after watching. Now, let's talk about pricing. Pelican offers a free plan with limited features, which is perfect for those just getting started or testing out the platform. However, if you're looking for more advanced features such as custom domains or additional storage, you'll need to upgrade to one of their paid plans. The pricing is competitive, and there's a plan for every budget. In terms of performance, Pelican delivers fast loading times and reliable uptime, which are essential for providing a good user experience. The website builder is also scalable, meaning you can upgrade your plan as your website grows. This makes it a solid option for businesses looking for a long-term solution. To wrap up, Pelican is a great website builder for anyone who needs an easy-to-use platform with robust features. It's perfect for beginners, but still offers enough customization options for more advanced users. I definitely recommend giving it a try if you're looking for a reliable and user-friendly website builder. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more honest reviews and insights on the best website builders out there. Thanks for watching.